Hello children. Children, in this video we are going to practice the HCF by division method. Sometimes it is very difficult to find the common prime factors of the given numbers. For example, if you are having large numbers, for example 2313 or 4819 or bigger than that, in such cases we use another method which is called division method. This method is based on the two principles. If a number is divisible by another number, then every multiple of the first number is also divisible by the second number. For example, if 8 is divisible by 2, then 16, 24, 32 all are divisible by 2. If a number divides two given numbers, then it divides their sum and difference also. Example, if 6 divides 12 and 42, then 6 also divides 42 plus 12, that is 54, and 42 minus 12, that is 30. So let us find HCF of bigger numbers using division method. Here we are taking the examples of 3 numbers and we'll find the HCF, highest common factor, using long division method. So what are the steps? First step, divide the greater number by the smaller number. So we have taken 184 and 230. We are dividing it. 184, 1 time is 184. Subtract, you get 46. Second step, take remainder. What is the remainder here? 46. Take remainder as divisor now, and the divisor 184 as dividend. Again I am repeating. First you take any two numbers and divide the greater number by the smaller one. Now we got the remainder. This remainder will become divisor and the previous divisor will become dividend. Divide again. 46 4 times is 184. You got the remainder 0. You have to continue the process till you get 0 as the remainder. But children, here I have taken 3 numbers. So 2 we have divided. We got 46 as the highest common factor of 184 and 230. But what about the third number, 276? So now once we have got the HCF of 184 and 230, the next step is we have to find the HCF of now 46 and 276. So 46 is the smaller number. Divide the greater number by the smaller number. Continue the process till you get remainder as 0. So it is 46 6 times 276. You got the remainder 0. So the last divisor. Now we got the last divisor 46. So HCF of 276 and 46 is 46. But in the continuous series 184, 276 and 230, we have taken 3 numbers. The HCF of all these 3 numbers will be 46. Once again, I am just revising the steps used to find the HCF by division method. The first step, divide the greater number by the smaller number. The second step, take remainder as divisor. and the divisor as dividend. The next step also, divide the divisor of the second step with remainder obtained in the step 2. Continue this process till you get 0 as the remainder, and the last divisor is the HCF. Children, now you have to practice, children. Just practice how to find the HCF using long division method. Your mind is a powerful thing when you fill it with positive thoughts. Think positive, speak positive, do positive. Thank you, children.